What is up, my Forex for Beginners family? Okay, I hope you're excited. Today we're creating a demo account. So a demo account is a trading account that uses fake money. So we're not using any of our real money, but we are in fact trading the live market. So it's absolutely the same style, and you're going to learn everything that you would if you were using real money, because we're going to be trading the live real markets, but instead we're going to be using demo money or fake money, just so we don't have to worry about all the other things and emotions that come along with trading real money. So I want you to let go of all your fears and just concentrate on learning chart analysis and making mistakes and learning from your mistakes, and just concentrating on the training and really just learning in a nice, steady, fast pace. And I know you're going to love it, just how I've loved it for several years. I've been doing this, 8 years to be exact. And I thank God for the day that I found Forex and started taking it seriously, because it's absolutely changed my life.
Okay, under accounts, we're going to click on demo. And now we're going to click on this up top right here. It says add new account. So we're going to make sure demo is selected. MT4, we're going to select classic account. We're going to select USD as the base currency. Leverage, we want to set it as high as we can, or whatever is allowed. And we want to start with, say, $1,000. You can put $500. Put the amount that you think you're gonna start your live account on. So you wanna use your demo account to kind of simulate a live account. So when you're ready to go live, you already have lots of practice with that same amount of funds. So you can even go 500 if you want to be modest. Like I said, 500 leverage, classic account, MetaTrader 4, and hit create account. And then here's your demo account. Okay, once your demo account is created, you should see here 500. If you don't, just hit refresh. Make sure you're under demo. Here it says 500. The cool thing about this account is you can hit edit, and you can change the leverage, but like I said, leave it on the highest. And you can, if you forget the password, you can set a new password and hit submit changes. If you want to change the amount of funds, so say it has 500, or say you want to add funds or take away funds, maybe you put $1,000 in the account, but really you wanted a $500 demo account, you just go fund now and select the right demo account, and whether you're depositing or withdrawing. So this is a demo account, so you're either depositing money will increase the USD value of the account, or withdrawal will take money out. So say if you put too much in, you can withdraw $250, and again, this is just a demo, and go edit funds. All that does is it edits the amount of funds in your demo account right there. So your demo account is now created. That's really all that you had to do. And if you go to your email, in your email here, so when you create a demo account, it sends you the login details to your email. So in the next video, we're going to be using these login details to get into MetaTrader 4. So really, you need your login, the server, and the password. These are the 3 pieces of information you're going to need in the next video when we're logging in to our trading account, our demo account.
Okay, so the last thing I need you to do is set this demo account to non-expiring. By default, you have 30-day demo account, and after that it expires. You can have a maximum of 10 accounts, but 9 of them do expire. You're allowed to have one demo account that's unlimited, that doesn't expire, and this is the account we'll use to
do our training. We want to focus on one currency pair when we're starting, so we will focus on using a single demo account that will be non-expiring. And let's click on live chat. Click here. See that little symbol there? Click on live chat. When the chat opens up, I want you to type agent. See step 1 there? When you first open the chat, you'll probably get a bot. Anytime you want to talk to a live agent, simply type agent. Step 2, you have to wait for connection of a human agent. So anytime we have any sort of problem and we want them to assist us quickly, just type agent. The good thing about a good broker is that they have quick live chat, and this broker is excellent for that. So when the agent responds, then I want you to type exactly what I have in step 3, and that is, please set my MT4 demo account number, and then you use your demo account number as I've shown there in the top left. So type, please set my demo account number to an unlimited account that does not expire. That's it. And then the agent should respond correctly. And now here you can see that the agent said the demo account has been set to non-expiring. And we're done. All right, good job today, my Forex fam. We've set up our demo account and now we're ready to trade on our platform, which is called MetaTrader 4, and we're going to start that in the next lesson. Just want to remind you, after each one of these lessons, I want you to copy or duplicate what we did in the video and do it on your own account. And remember, at lesson 7, you're going to get to join for free into a private student group where each lesson will have one thing you're going to learn, and then you're going to copy that and you're going to duplicate it on your own, and you're going to post your lesson, what you learned, into the student group, and the teachers are going to give you feedback on what you posted, so you'll know whether you're doing it right or wrong. I designed it this way because I know this is the fastest way to get students to learn, is actual getting feedback on their work at every lesson. So I'm excited for you guys, and I'm going to show you a quick little video right now of the next lesson where we're going to take our demo account and actually place trades on the live market. It's really fun. It's really easy. Check out this video.
This is called MetaTrader 4. We use this just to place trades. I can show you how to place a trade really quick here. You can just, if you want to sell, that's as easy as placing a trade here. This is how you set a stop loss, and you just approve it. And then this is how you set a take profit and hit approve. And now if the trade goes in our favor and comes down here, we'll make $100, and say we're risking right here, say we're risking about $16 to make a potential $100. So this is just a demo account. This is how we place trades. I'm going to go a lot into detail on how to analyze the charts. We use this software here to only to place trades. We don't actually do analysis on this. We use TradingView to do our analysis, and I'm going to go into detail on all of that stuff in the future. I just want to quickly show you what we do with that password. We actually go here and we go log into trade account, and this is where we would enter our account number, our password, and then hit login. But I'm going to show you how to download this and log in the next chapter. So just make sure you keep this password safe. We're going to need it in the next chapter. And that's it for now. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.